Probably the best yam hill is.
Hmm?
Probably the best yam hill is.
Yeah, kind dirt and I need to loose.
Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and today I'll be showing you how I dig my yam hills. Welcome to my little yam farm. I'll be showing you how to dig a yam hill, plant a yam, and jam a yam stick. The last video that I had, I never show you how to dig the yam hill, so now I'm going to show you. First thing you need to do is clear the soil. I'm tired enough, but I'm going. You need to clear it. So I clear the land by taking out all of these unnecessary weeds. You know, you can't use your cutlass, you can't use your hoe. I like clear it. So while you're working, you can just sing a folk song. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and me want go home. 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot, punch! Daylight come and me want go home. Me say daylight come and me want go home. I use the hoe and dig it with earth. I'm just going to start digging my yam hill now by just carrying over the making a hole. That's the first thing I need. Make a hole. See the hole that I'm making right there? That is our yam hill belly. That's the yam hill belly. Yes, I 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 yam hill belly. Yes, man. We have to have space for the yam to go. The yam to go. You don't want a baby. Yam is one big yam. I can come over this side too. Not that deep enough. Next thing we're going to do is going to take my fork. I'm just going to have me extra, you know. That's going to just loosen up the dirt. Loosen up the dirt. Loosen up the dirt. Loosen up the dirt. And why we loosen the dirt is so that the yam can grow big, you know. Alright, so that has been loosened, and then I'm just going to carry back over my dirt over here now. This is the hill that I'm making. I'm at the belly, now I'm at the hill. I just want to take dirt around this hill. Make a hill now. You see what I'm doing, guys? So you know, so underneath this hill, the dirt is loose, and you have loose dirt on top. And molding, they call this stuff mold the yam hill in Jamaica. Of course, we have to do the yam hill test to see if the dirt is loose enough. If you pay a man to dig a yam hill, make sure you, after you dig the yam hill, you push the machete straight down in there. It's supposed to go down there straight without no hitch. So you know, say the dirt loose. Look there, the dirt loose. Dirt loose. See? There. So this is the yam head. I've shown you how a yam head looks before in the other video. So I'm just going to do a quick thing of just planting it. You just
Alright, so I've shown you how to dig a yam hill, and for the remaining of the video, I'll be jamming a stick, a yam stick, tying a vine, and doing a little mulching. Now, I've shown you all of these steps in a detailed video that I posted previously. But if you haven't seen that video, I'm still going to show you these steps right now, but I'm just going to speed it up since I've already videoed this process already. If you want to view the other video that I did that have detailed steps, I'll be posting the link down below in my description. So continue watching and enjoy.
this fashion is not fit for the farm. I'm too fashionable for the farm. Oh God. I think that's what my husband would say. I tell you that bush with this.